Editing control tracks. You can have up to 7 tracks in your timeline, 4 video tracks and 3 audio-only tracks. Video tracks support video, images, and graphics. Audio-only tracks support audio-only clips, such as music and voiceover recordings. You can view and control the tracks by clicking the Control Tracks icon. You can see that the first 4 tracks are video, and the last 3 are audio. We refer to the tracks by their purpose. For example, the main track is a video track, so it is always called V1. This track is in the middle of the track list and is lighter in color as it is the main track where Rush automatically assembles all clips to begin. You can hide tracks on the timeline to make editing easier on other tracks. You can also lock tracks to prevent changes. To show and hide tracks, click the eye icon. To lock and unlock tracks, click the lock icon. To mute and unmute audio, click the loudspeaker icon. On the audio tracks, you can directly record voiceovers by clicking the microphone to start and stop recording.